そのどれも叶えられねえよ。ゴッツァそのどれも叶えられねえよ。ゴッツァ
Now we are creating a composition. Don't worry, I will share all the necessary files in the description. Drag the video you want to change the background of into the timeline. I'm adjusting the length of the video. Now let's add the invert effect to our video. Then select luminance from the channel section. The reason I use luminance here is because the background is bluish-white, which will make the atmosphere darker. Now duplicate your video and remove the invert effect from the top layer. We will use this layer later on. Let's add a new solid layer. Add the CC rainfall effect to your solid layer. Then enter the values I used. And from the solids blending mode, we select Add. That's it, the rain effect is ready. Next, let's add the cloud and thundercloud effects. Let's remove the green screen from the effects using the key light effect. We will do some minor positioning tweaks. Now we add the glow darks effect on top of the cloud layer. And set the threshold value to 1.5. Move the duplicated layer to the top. Now, let's mask around the person you want to keep in the foreground. Adjust the mask feather to 150. Use the glow darks effect and adjust the threshold to 1.5. Duplicate the main video once more. Then I will create another mask. As before, set the feather to 110 for a smoother look. Then, apply the glow darks effect and set the threshold value to 3.5. It's time for the dripping water effect. Again, we use the key light effect to remove the green screen. Let's make the necessary opacity adjustments. Next up is the lightning effects. From this effect, Extract as many lightning strikes as you want. I picked out 2 lightning strikes, then applied the deep glow effect to remove the background. Place the lightning effects below the cloud effects and adjust their positions. For now, let's check how it looks. We will use the lightning and rain sound effects. Since I have 2 lightning strikes, I duplicated it. And I'm slowing down one of them because I want the sound to have a different tone from the first one. Now the sound effect of our main video. Decide for yourself if this is necessary.
そのどれも叶えられねえよ。ガツン
Adjust the sound levels according to your preference. Let's see how it looks. We're creating an adjustment layer. Then we apply the looks effect to the adjustment layer. Click the edit button and let's start making adjustments. We select the hue, saturation, and contrast effects. Now apply the settings I used.